Dear students, I am taking derivatives of carboxylic acid for the IUPAC nomenclature. You know that there are four derivatives of carboxylic acids. Number 1, acid chloride. Number 2, acid anhydride. Number 3, esters. And number 4, amides. I shall going to take each one of them one by one. So, four derivatives of acids are four derivatives of carboxylic acids or this is carboxylic acid, this is ORCl, acid chloride, the another is acid anhydride, this is ester, and lastly amide. These are four derivatives of a carboxylic acid. This is acid chloride, acid anhydride, ester and amide. Now start with acid chloride. Name of acid chlorides. Name of acid chlorides. The functional group COCl, the secondary suffix oil chloride, rest rule are the same, prefix, root word, primary suffix, minus E plus secondary suffix. Secondary suffix gives you name of compound. Rest rules are the same. The first example is example 1. This is a COCl. This COCl has got carbon, so it is given lowest number. So name of, this is given 1. Its root word is meth. Primary suffix is N. Secondary suffix is oil chloride. So its name becomes methanoyl chloride. This is deleted. Common name is formyl chloride. Formyl chloride. Example 2. This is CS3 COCl. This compound has got 2 carbon atoms, So its root word will be eth N plus oil chloride. So it becomes ethanoyl chloride. Ethanoyl chloride. The common name of this chloride is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride, it is the common name. The example 3. In bond line projection, this is CuCl, this is CS3. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is side chain, it is prefixed, so its name will be 5-methyl. Root word is hex, primary suffix is N, OL is the secondary suffix, so its name is 5-methyl hex N oil chloride. Example 4. This is CS3, CH2, CH, CO, Cl. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is named as but 2-ene 1 oil chloride. But better to write as but 2-ene oil chloride. If more than 2 oil chloride is present in the molecule for the dicarboxylic acid, in case when derivative when acid chloride derivative, in case when acid chloride derivative belongs to a dicarboxylic acid, then E later of primary suffix is not removed. Because more than one locant comes between the primary and secondary suffix. Therefore, E is not removed. In case when acid chloride derivative belongs to a dicarboxylic acid, then E later of primary suffix, terminal E, this is terminal E, later of the primary suffix is not removed because more than one locants comes between the primary and secondary suffix. See with example. acid chloride of oxalic acid. Number 1, number 2. Root word is eth. Primary suffix is in. 1, 2 di-oil chloride. Its common name is oxalyl chloride. Oxalyl chloride. Say one more example in this direction. This is 1, 2, 3. So its root word is prop. Primary suffix in is not removed. 1, 3 di-oil chloride. When more than 2 COCl group is present, then when more than 2 COCl group is present, then each one is treated as substituent. Treated as substituents, because secondary suffix is not allowed. Because secondary suffix for this, secondary suffix for COCl is not allowed. CS2 COCl, CH COCl, CH2 COCl. Why secondary suffix is not allowed? See, if I consider this as the functional group, so I will number 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of the Cl group is left. One of the COCl group is left. So each one is considered, and each one is considered only when each one is treated as the substituent. So these are the substituents. These are the substituents. Substituents. Name will be 1, 2, 3. Prop in 1, 2, 3. Chlorocarbonyl, trichlorocarbonyl, or carbochloride. So it is better to say like that: propane 1, 2, 3 trichlorocarbonyl. This chlorocarbonyl substituent is. COCl is chlorocarbonyl. It is 3 in number, so it is tri. Its position is on 1, 2 and 3 position carbon, so it is 1, 2, 3. When COCl group is bonded, is attached to a ring system, then eke of the parent acid, is replaced by oil chloride. oil chloride. For example, this is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid as a reference. This changes into acid chloride. So COCl name will be benzo. Ic is replaced. This ic is replaced by oil group. Oil chloride. Benzoyl chloride. Ic is replaced by ic of the acid is replaced by oil chloride. So this ic is replaced by oil chloride. Since oxygen comes 2 times, so one is considered and another is left. So you can say OIC is replaced by, then OIC of the present acid, this OIC of present acid is replaced by benzoyl chloride. Other example is COCl. It is bonded to cyclohexane, so its name will be cyclohexanoyl chloride. Now other derivative is acid anhydride. The other acid is acid anhydride. Acid anhydride when H2O is lost from an acid, it is called acid anhydride. It is called acid anhydride or benzoic or carboxylic acid anhydride. In this case, functional group is CO, this one. Secondary suffix is OIC anhydride. OIC anhydride. Remember that when 2 molecules react, then loss of water takes place. Loss of water takes place only when 2 molecules of a carboxylic acid undergo condensation. So apply rest rules are the same. Rest rules are the same. Prefix, root word, primary suffix minus E plus secondary suffix gives you name of the acid anhydride. See the example. This is first anhydride, formic acid anhydride. Its common name is formic acid anhydride. This carbon is given number. Either this carbon is given number or this carbon is given number, because the chain of the carbon is not continuous. So you can put one here or you can put here, no matter. So root word is meth, primary suffix is in, minus E plus OIC anhydride. It becomes methanoic anhydride. Methanoic anhydride. You remember that the IUPAC name of formic acid is methanoic acid. You remember that IUPAC name of formic acid is methanoic acid, and that formic acid undergoes dehydration to give the formic acid anhydride. So its name methanoic acid and the anhydride, when come together, it becomes methanoic anhydride. See other example. CS3 CO. This is CS3. This acetic acid anhydride. Acetic acid anhydride. Same acid. So number will be given 1 and 2. Root word is H. Primary suffix is N. ये हट जाएगा. Plus oic anhydride. Oic anhydride. Then it becomes ethanoic anhydride. In case when anhydride of mixed acid is obtained, in case of mixed acid anhydride, mixed acid anhydride means acid of two types when undergo dehydration, then produce mixed acid anhydride. Example is CS3 CH2 CO CS3. This is propanoic acid and this is ethanoic acid. This part is 1, 2, 3 and this part is 1, 2. This is ethanoic part. This is propanoic part. It is written in alphabetical order. It is written in alphabetical order. E comes first, so it will be started from ethanoic, propanoic, anhydride. This is the IUPAC. Thank you.